One the Elephant is a 37-storey residential tower in central London, which is part of the Elephant Castle project. A curtain wall cladding system is being installed from inside the building. The installation commences with preparation of the area and removal of the 1.8 metre high K-guard edge protection barriers. Scaffold handrails remain in place in addition to harness and inertia reel for protection. Decanting of unitised cladding panels from the delivery bunks is achieved with a pick and carry crane and a purpose-built lifting attachment. A bespoke loading launch table is used to position the panels at above scaffold handrail height in preparation for launch beyond the slab edge, using a crane position one or more stories above. Backprops are installed to stabilise the launch table prior to extension beyond the slab edge. Final pre-launch checks are carried out to ensure there are no loose materials and gaskets are correctly positioned. A Tempe Works approved spider crane is used to lift the cladding panels, including stone corner panels as heavy as 1,200 kilograms into position. Radio contact is maintained between the spider crane, banksman and installation teams at all times as the panel is lifted outside the building along a roller system. Carefully controlled lifts take account of the size and shape of each panel. Once the panel is suspended outside the building, the table system is removed. All operatives near the scaffold edge protection are attached to scissor-safe anchorage points in the concrete. Cladding panels are then lowered into position and guided using taglines. A bespoke spreader bar has been manufactured to accommodate 2 strops connected to lifting points on the panel, and there are 2 further strops connected to the panel and the lifting block as a failsafe. The panel is lowered into position and manually secured into place. The installation process can be completed in as little as 12 minutes.